Today's video going to be replacing the transmission rear seal on this 1500. If you're not able to park on a flat level ground, make sure you have chocks on your front wheels. This way when you lift up the rear to disconnect the drive shaft, the truck doesn't just roll away. .7/16 for this drive shaft bolts. You want to make sure when you pop it out of the rear diff, you're pushing forward on it. The reason is so you just don't let it fall out. Go ahead and get a drain pan and maybe a mat, and you'll go ahead and pull the drive shaft out of the transmission. Now with the drive shaft out, we can go ahead and pull out our old seal.
Nice.
The torque I found online, 18 foot-pounds. And there you go. Here's your rear transmission seal replaced. And that's how you replace the rear transmission seal. Hopefully this video helps you. You have a good one.